Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We are going to talk about XRP, and once again, this is the 1 hour chart. We're sitting here just above 58 cents. And you know, the XRP chart right now looks a lot like the Bitcoin chart. And that's because a lot of very big news came out today. We'll talk about that at the end of today's video. Wow, new glitch on the XRP chart at Bybit. The price there glitched to $37,124. You know, everybody is speculating right now on these glitches. They're saying it's ISO testing going on in the background. But you know, one day we're going to wake up and the testing and the glitching is going to be over. And we're going to be looking at the real price of XRP. And it's going to be a very high price. Over 1,500 projects now in the XRP Ledger ecosystem with multiple use cases. Remember the other day in a video I showed you posts that people said there's no growth going on the XRP Ledger and no CBDCs are building out on the XRP Ledger. Well, it seems like that's nothing more than just FUD, because here's the facts right here. According to details provided on the official XRP Ledger website, more than 1,500 applications and exchanges have been established on the XRP Ledger since its inception. These development efforts span a wide range of applications. They cut across sectors such as NFTs, gaming, security, payments, CBDCs, custody services, and other use cases. The XRP Ledger is building out at a very fast pace. And you know, you might not see value come from it right away. Remember, you get the announcements, then that project has to expand and grow and add value to the XRP Ledger. And as it does, it's going to add value to XRP. But you know, everybody FUDs around XRP for some reason. Maybe if they took the time out to realize how big this cryptocurrency is going to become, maybe instead they could just buy some XRP, sit back, and get rich. XRP Ledger now supports popular lending platform. Credify Finance has integrated with the XRP Ledger according to a Monday announcement. This move marks a significant step for Credify Finance since it allows the project to expand its DeFi offerings by utilizing XRP Ledger's energy-efficient and decentralized blockchain technology. Credify's latest product on the XRP Ledger platform allows users to engage in short-term liquidity loans for European SMEs. You know, we are getting closer and closer to a time where you could borrow against your crypto, lend your crypto out, and get passive income from it. And as that continues to happen, at some point, I'm never ever selling my XRP. I'll live off the passive income. If I need a substantial amount of money, I'll just borrow against my XRP and pay it back with passive income. Ripple's partner, Al Ansari Financial Services subsidiary, to launch Digital Wallet in Dubai next year. Digital Wallet will allow users to pay bills, receive salaries, carry out money remittances, and access microfinance. You know, we need this to happen all around the world. When you could go out and buy a car using crypto, pay a mortgage using crypto, use crypto to make small purchases in a convenience store, that's when mass adoption will happen. That's when the people that don't even like crypto or don't understand crypto will be using it and not even knowing it. And when that time comes, retail will be priced out forever. But we are getting closer and closer to that as well. BBVA Switzerland has expanded its partnership with Mitaco as it seeks to accelerate its digital assets offerings to institutional clients. This will allow BBVA to develop its digital asset capabilities, and it will allow the bank to support future business use cases in the realm of digital assets, such as the expansion into institutional digital asset services. Right now, everybody says the banks aren't holding crypto, but that's in the United States. Outside the United States, the banks are getting more and more involved with crypto. Other countries are getting more and more involved with crypto as well because they want innovation to strive and grow. They want to get the upper hand on the United States. Excited to see this market scaling to the trillions on a daily basis. Citibank Representative David Cunningham, take a listen to this.
For everybody who has expertise here is that we're truly seeing large organizations do things at a scale which we haven't seen before using this technology, and those who have skills to help empower regular financial market infrastructure and regular players like globally systematically important banks like ourselves to operate in this space. We need your skills and we need your help, and I think we're going to see a massive adoption in the next number of years where this really grows in the regulated space too, which is really exciting. But I think the key thing about all of this is that every element of doing this in a regulated environment takes some time and takes some effort and takes some coordination and takes a lot of work in terms of standards and standard setting as well. So, for me, I'm really excited to see how this tech is going to really massively scale over the next few years into many trillions of volume and scale on a daily basis.
And when he says years, I'm thinking 2024 is going to be a very big year. I think we're going to see global crypto regulations. I think we're going to see XRP moving a lot of money by the time next year gets here. You got to remember, a lot of CBDCs are already set to go live. But he's right. It's going to be trillions of dollars on a daily basis. And yet people still think XRP is going to be sitting at 58 cents. Key events that will drive the XRP price to $10. I look at this as key events that should keep you holding your XRP. First, we know the Ripple settlement. The SEC's asking for $700 million. Most likely, Brad's going to get that down to $20 million. Pay it, XRP will take off. Most likely, it will hit $10. The IPO, I'm thinking we're at least a year away on that. And Brad didn't even sound confident in 2024. So maybe it'll happen more like 2025. XRP price to rise as Ripple conquers cross-border payments. That's where I see the money coming from. And that's what everybody should be looking at when they're holding this cryptocurrency. First, it's cross-border payments. Later, tokenization. Beyond that, carbon credits. AI. There's going to be other use cases that will pop up over time as well. That will add value to this cryptocurrency. But I think we will definitely hit $10 in the short term. I'm not going to say by the end of this year. I still think we will hit $1 plus, though, by the end of this year. SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce signals a seismic shift in crypto regulation. Congress is taking charge. The SEC won't be the primary regulator for crypto. Massive bullish vibes echoing through the crypto realm. Right now, we are about to see them push for crypto regulations faster than ever before. I thought we would have got them sooner after the fall of FTX, but now it seems like they're in a much bigger rush now for some reason. Department of Justice to announce crypto enforcement actions today. So the U.S. Department of Justice will reveal major cryptocurrency actions today, according to the latest report from Bloomberg. Attorney General Merrick Garland is slated to announce enforcement initiatives alongside the heads of Treasury, the Deputy Attorney General's office, and the CFTC. So it looks like they're going to have another massive crackdown on crypto. Like I said, I think they're getting everything positioned for crypto regulations. Breaking, Binance CEO CZ goes bust. Binance CEO CZ has just shamefully resigned today and pleaded guilty to fraud and money laundering violations. His company will also be forced to pay a whopping $4.3 billion fine. For years, he claimed anyone who criticized him or his corrupt exchange are spreading FUD, but turns out it was all truthful. We have over 480 plus tweets and articles mentioning the fraudulent practices of Binance. We were attacked left and right by the maxi mob, but as per usual, time proved us right again. So CZ now stepped down, and I think that's why the market's tanking out right now. But some people said this could be very bullish in the short term for Bitcoin. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But again, if you're holding crypto on Binance, get it off of there. We don't know what's going to happen next. Bittrex, crypto exchange, to shut down. Here's what happened. Again, get your crypto off of Bittrex as well. You know, I always told you, never be storing your crypto on the exchanges. You don't know what goes on behind the scenes. You know, FTX should have taught you that. But still, people are storing their crypto on the exchanges. Then something happens, they lose their crypto, lose all their money, and then they're over on X saying, I don't understand what just happened. Well, you should be keeping your crypto off the exchanges because time and time again, people are going to have that happen. We don't even know what's going to happen with Binance yet. I don't think anything major is going to happen there. I think they're going to announce a new CEO in the coming days, and Binance is going to continue to push forward. But who knows? It could go out a totally different way, and Binance could become the next FTX. The end of an era. The U.S. government has cleared the field and will likely now start moving towards their own CBDC. They could never establish their financial control while crypto was still easily usable as an alternative. The government wants to force everyone to use their digital currency and nothing else. Now, people are saying with Binance, what happened with CZ, that the U.S. government is paving the way for a CBDC now. I'm not so sure of that. I think they are definitely going to use this to push crypto regulations, though. Larry Fink, Jamie Dimon, and other Wall Street whales are smiling right now. The chess moves are happening. Crypto startups being taken down, and Wall Street are coming in for the takeover of the market. It happened right before your eyes. Did you miss it? I'm bullish on Coinbase as BlackRock selected them to work with. People are saying Binance had to fall for an ETF to get approved as well for Bitcoin. But I'm not so sure on that either. Nobody really knows what's going on. But I do believe they did have to take Binance down for a reason. I'm more leaning to the side that we're going to see crypto regulations talked about in the coming days. And it's all going to be about protecting retail investors. Wait and see. We always get brought up in the conversation for some reason. But they don't really care about protecting me and you. They want to cut off the ways that you can access crypto, how you can buy crypto. And that's why they're going after the exchanges right now. But again, you're an XRP holder. You got to stay patient. You got to stay positive because this market is going to turn around and XRP is going to take off. You want to get that financial freedom, don't you? All you have to do is stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.